All right, welcome back, everybody. Not much of a recap today because very slow. Just had a few stocks I traded. Never had any setups on the indices. Had nothing on the metals and nothing on the energy. So it was just a few stocks, and that was it. So let's get into it. MYO was a carryover from the prior day. I was looking pretty good here until the opening, and then we had this big flush, and I ended up getting stopped out. I ended up getting stopped out right on the low. This is actually a stop down here. And by the time that I got out, of course, I got the very low of that trade. I did come back a little bit later, and I traded a little bit, but I still took a net loss on MYO. GROW also, I got out. Not much on that. We'll show you that in a minute, but I did get out of that. I had one really good trade, and that was on Yang, Y-A-N-G, which I took right after the opening. Let's look at that real quick. All right, so this is a Yang trade. Now, I've been trading Yang for a while, so I kind of understand his personality. It's very similar to JDST if you've been following my trades, and it's just it moves really nice. Yes, you have pullbacks, but overall it typically will keep going in the same direction once it established some sort of bias, and the bias definitely was up today. And so I came in as a buyer. Shortly thereafter, it did break and come back, but on the coming back, I went ahead and I added to it because I really felt confident about YANG. And it finally did come up and hit a target up here, and I went ahead and got out and took my profit. But I only took a few trades, a few stocks, and that was it. So MYO, YANG, ATGL, very similar to Yang. It pulled back. It was in a loss, added a little bit to it, came back and made a little bit on ATGL. That thing was all over the place. And, of course, GROW, I mean, pretty much a wash on that. Carrying that overnight. So I'm flat going into Friday. I don't have anything on. We'll see if we can get a trade tomorrow on the indices. And gold was a mover today, but I didn't have any setups there. Right now, it looks like we may possibly have some buying opportunities tomorrow in the mini Russell and the mini Nasdaq. So we'll see if that plays out. Energy's nothing. And that's about it. So we'll see if we can make a little bit of money tomorrow and wrap up the week. All right, that's it. Everybody have a good day.